Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the Forgotten Scale quest and open the Leviathan Den. Okay, let's get started. First, to access the Leviathan Den, you must complete the Forgotten Scale quest. But before the quest appears, there's one requirement. Just go to the NPC and then just view the progress like this. You need to complete the fish index in Pirate Cove like this to open the quest. So how do you do it? It's simple. Just fish in Pirate Cove and fill the index like this. Just go to the Pirate Cove like this and then just fill the index. And here's the trick. Just use the right route and bait based on fish rarity. For example, if you are targeting common fish like this, don't use higher tier gear. Just use a starter rod like this, or maybe lava rod, toy rod. And then for the bait, you can use the starter bait or top water bait or beach ball bait. This trick will increase your chance to catch the common fish. And for the higher rarity fish, just switch to your best rod and base bait to make it easier. And then just keep fishing until you complete the Pirate Cove Index like this. And once it's done, the Forgotten Skill quest will unlock, and finish that quest and Leviathan Den will finally open. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you!